unboxing this package. It is a bohemian theme nightstand. As you can see, it is in the picture of it is in the is on the thumbnail, as well as the name is in the title. The name is right here. First up, I got this off Temu. It was $27 plus shipping, so roughly $30. And it's the Rattan nightstand. It says charging station, small, natural. So let's get into it. I just want to see if I got the correct thing. I'm not going to assemble it right now. If you want to see the assembling videos, head over to the Boho Babe Homestead channel, where I will be posting the assemblies when I am ready to do so, to install the products in my tiny home. So I wanted something small because the room is small, so this is why I went for that. And this is what it should look like. It's a 2-drawer with a charging station, and it's about 15 inches wide, so it's not very big. So let's get in here and see what these are about. I did order the dresser to it, which I got for $37 and some change, so roughly 38. So I'm hoping that this is not really a disappointment. It doesn't really matter, but as long as it has 2 drawers and it has all the pieces, I should be fine, because I'm not really rushing this off top. Not really going based on the size, because as I said, the room is pretty small and I have a queen size bed, so I don't want big furniture to cluster the space. And I think I saw this deal for the dresser and I just went at it, jump on it right away, because the one I wanted was a 31-inch, and it was $90 something. So I saw that one for $37, and it's a 6-drawer one, so I just jumped right on it. However, it's 47 inches wide. These are the handles, 2 handles. They're wooden or like a bamboo. Not sure what these are. As I said, I'm not assembling it. I'm just checking to see if everything is intact. Is in here. How the parts are in here, and so on. Handles are pretty strong. Alright, let's go into this. These are the sliders, the drawer sliders. I'm not pulling them out. They are white. Are they white? Yeah, they're white. These are the drawer sliders, and there's 2 sets of them. So 2 drawers. This is the color. It's natural wood. And the dresser is the same. And they are just, oh shoot, these are pretty small. I'm thinking that these are the drawers. They are pretty small, but not extra. It's small. It's small, but not miniature where it can't be used, because I'm just gonna put like some stuff in there. These are the legs. It has like a laminated thing over it, a laminated coat over it. I think those iron things that I saw are for the legs to screw into. are the parts for the drawer. The drawers. The drawers will be smaller because they have to fit inside. These are the tops. I'm thinking that these are the tops or the sides. I don't know. And it's like something like the MDF type material. This is the charging station, which is white. I anticipated black, but it's white. I'm gonna have to put these back. This is what I wanted to see because it has the rattan thing on it, and I was wondering why the dresser was so heavy. The weight of it is so heavy. My dog is barking, pardon me. But it does have a wooden backing, so there's nothing getting through here to get to your stuff, and the handle is at the top, right there. I'm thinking that these are the drawers. Nope. Like so. I have no idea. I don't know. We'll cross that with the needle. And there's two. Yeah. It's gonna take some work to put these together. This is the heavy. This is the top. So this is how wide it is. So those smaller parts are the sides. I think, yeah, those would be the sides or the backs. This is the top where the charging port goes on top, and this is how wide it is. I'm not very disappointed because, like I said, it's a small space and I don't want to feel clustered in my bedroom. So this would be the size of my laptop, so I could just sit it down. Although the charging port being here, I wouldn't have much space here, but that's fine. So this is the top. And this is the bottom. That's the top, then this is the bottom. These are the holes for the legs. It's MDF, like this type of thing material. It's not solid wood, it's the fabricated wood with a laminated coat. And these are the back. So those other pieces are the sides. This is the back. I'm not sure why this has this. These are either the backs. Yeah, these would be the backs. Or the drawer backs. I think in the drawer backs. And then those are the drawer backs. I'm thinking these are the, I have no idea what these are. These would be the drawer backs, I'm thinking. And these would be the back of the thing, or the drawer bottoms. These would be the drawer bottoms. These are most likely the bottoms for the drawers, and those would be the back. So I'm thinking this thing does not have a back. No. It doesn't have a back, or the back is missing. And that's the verdict on that, and that's it for this package. I'm going to pack it back inside and set it aside for when it's time to get that room furnished and ready to move into. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm looking forward to this item. I love the bohemian theme. That's the vibe that I'm going for in my home. So stay tuned for more products and more product reviews and unboxing. And be sure to head over to the Boho Babe Homestead channel to see the progress of the house, the process of installing these and setting these up. I will post the videos of those here in the community tab, so you guys can find them if you're interested. Subscribe, follow the journey. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.